Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you how things are going so far, and overall they're going pretty good. I'm about halfway through the first full day of the sessions, and the best one I had talked about high expectations. And you know what? An awful lot of the expectations that I have for you guys, that's what they talk about doing there. Good news, I picked up a few new tricks though. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share with you all some of what it's like to live in the city here, because you know what? It's totally different than what we have down in our little resort town that we live in. You know, as people are walking everywhere here, that's because it's cheap. Parking cars, very expensive here. Owning a car, very expensive here. And how close they park their cars together, absolutely mind-blowing. The best way to get around town, hands down, is going to be the subway. For a couple dollars, you can get anywhere in the city really, really fast. Where if you take a car, it's not really, really fast at all. Check out these elevators. You have to have a key to use the elevator. You use your key to touch this button here, and then it allows you to touch the other buttons so you can choose what floor you want. Now this hotel here is one of the buildings that they're having the conferences in. I have had several sessions in here, and this is the rich people's Marriott. I'll show you what I mean when I go inside. This one over here, that's where we're actually staying. That's the poor people's Marriott. Big difference between the two, but they're both still much nicer than I normally get to stay in. So this is the inside of the rich people's Marriott. You can see that's where they check in at. This is the lobby, and if you look up, the lobby is surrounded by rooms that go all the way around it. They have a fancy restaurant here. They've got a Starbucks coffee right over there here in the lobby. Interesting, there's about 70 people in line for Starbucks this morning. They've got a bar. They've got all kind of really, really nice stuff here. Definitely way upscale from what Mr. Reetz is used to getting to experience. Land is really expensive here, and as a result, they do an awful lot of going up and down. There are escalators everywhere. And right now, I'm going down to my next class. Now, I started off at the ground level. My next class is 4 stories below ground. I've got to go down 4 sets of escalators all the way down to the 4th sub-level. I guess if there's a nuclear attack, I might be okay. But other than that, I mean, we're going really, really deep underground in order to take this class. Well, I'm on my way to my last session of the day, and I wanted to take a minute to show you all just how big this convention center really is. I mean, this thing is huge. Take a look. That's the little half of it. That whole big building, that's the bigger half of it. There's an awful lot of space here. This is the main complex area, and you can see all around here we got lots of teachers that are here. We've got teachers from as far away as Hawaii that I have met today. You see multiple levels going up, lots of stairs, lots of escalators, and I know it looks like it goes up all the way. No, there's still 2 more levels above that you don't see. This is a family car in Washington, D.C. Pretty cute. Check out this cool shopping district, guys. All kind of pretty lights all the way back and fancy stores on both sides. A little out of my price range, but still cool. And I have no idea what this is. It's a walkway that goes over and then down the other side with all kind of strange projections. I do believe we have officially found Chinatown. Has a big gate there for Chinatown. The music is not Chinese, but that's coming from a motorcycle. You can see lots of traffic. It is rush hour. Rush hour starts very late here in DC. It really has been getting thicker as the sun has gone down. That's going to be it for our walk, guys. I hope you all enjoyed seeing some of the city life of Washington, D.C. It's time for us to get some dinner and go to bed.